Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. People of Britain have been asked to stay at home and avoid the coronavirus. Please do not go out and buy takeaway food from any outlets. Here is Stu Simpson to tell you how to make your own sweet and sour halloumi or chicken.
Spring onions for the rice. Rice for the rice. Halloumi cheese to be deep fried. Sesame seeds to put on the cheese at the end. Corn flour. Baking soda, a little bit of salt and pepper. Brown sugar for the sauce. Onions. Peppers. Oh, oil. That's to go in your batter later. Pineapple, also for the sauce. Peppers, like I said. Vinegar, should be white wine, but we don't have white wine, so this is a mix. And you could use raspberry jam, but I'm using cranberry sauce. Anything high in sugar. Tomato puree and garlic, which is optional. I just like garlic in everything. Corn flour and water.
This is a full cup of rice, mug of rice, to 1.5 mugs of water. That's going to go in the microwave for 20 minutes. So in that 20 minutes we should probably get everything cooked and done. So I hope you're all out there surviving. And yeah, and everybody is hopefully well. If not, this is a very easy dish to cook at home. It looks like there's a lot of ingredients, but it's all in the prep really, so it doesn't take too long. So we're doing 2 dishes with one. So we've got one for the meat eaters, one for the vegetarians, and if you're a vegan, I suppose you could use tofu instead of the halloumi cheese. It would kind of work in the same sort of way. Neil's pulling a face, it's very funny. Got some garlic oil, it's full of flavour, so that's going to go in the pan there. So everybody's freaking out and it's a bit weird and some strange stuff is happening in the world, but we all still need to eat. So please stop panic buying. I mean, who's going to cook a whole bunch of toilet rolls, really? Not me, because I've tried before and it didn't work the last time. I'm still fat. I put in the pan here, and this is just getting the peppers and the onions started. The batter for the halloumi. Mix up your corn flour, your baking soda, pepper and salt, just your seasoning, and dry coat the halloumi. I'm writing a book, is what I'm doing during Corona, and I'm writing a children's book called Jemima and the Black Unicorn. So please, once it's done, please bind. We'll be presenting stuff which we don't really understand what's happening. We're just but what we do need to know is that we need to be together and look after each other and eat, because that's one thing that never stops, is the fact that we need to eat. But please, like I say, don't panic by it. It's just silly, really. To make a batter, just a couple of glugs in there. He sniffed at me. He sniffed. Oh my god, I'm gonna catch it. The virus is coming. So you're thickening up lovely. You can leave this in the fridge for half an hour to cool if you wish, but it's thickening up lovely. A little bit of that paste. I'm gonna take the garlic and the spring onions over just to start softening down, because we've now got the onions are soft, the red peppers are soft, and the spring onions just to add a little bit of colour, contrast the red. This is coconut oil. Put the pineapple in there. Obviously it's on the low heat at the moment. I'm going to shift it over as soon as we've got the cheese cooked. Coming in for the second frying of the halloumi cheese. We've made the coronavirus! We've made it! It came from here. I've just been to the toilet. But you have to wash your hands very, very much during this outbreak. So, my preferred method is the Roy Bailey method. Roy Bailey was the patron of Music on the Mall, and he goes a little bit like this. You need skin, take good care of it, don't harm a hair of it, what would you do without it? Keep it clean, soapy water every day will wash the dirt and smells away, cause you need skin! And voila, I'm ready to go again. We made the virus, we made it! Your onions and your peppers and your pineapple off the heat. Just keeping it warm on the side there. So now for your sauce. So we will put in some tomato puree. And now instead of, you could use raspberry jam for this, but I am using cranberry. That's what we've got. So basically anything that's high in sugar and very berry-like is a good thing. And your brown sugar. Add a little bit of vinegar. Corn flour and water, this will thicken your sauce. Be better in a wok with a high heat, but we don't have one of them. Nothing special. If you want to egg fried rice it, that's not too bad. Might come to that in another episode if we're still alive. So this is the one for the vegetarians out there. This is deep fried sweet and sour halloumi cheese. That's not bad at all. Well, thank you very much for watching, and please stay safe. Hang on. What the?